Hello, happy campers. Tony here from StressLess Camping and wanted to let you know we installed the RV bidet from Clean Camper in our RV to see what we thought. Bidets have become more fashionable here in the US, with lots of people citing lots of reasons why having a bidet is a healthier alternative to toilet paper. So we're kind of curious. We had an opportunity to get a bidet from Clean Camper, and bing, bang, boom. Now, you may use toilet paper with a bidet, but it's kind of to dry off. That's the idea. The components of the Clean Camper bidet for RVs were really high quality, and they provided all the pieces we needed to easily install the bidet in our toilet in our RV. I was able to put it in about 10 minutes while I was boondocking. Uh, the Clean Camper uses two knobs on the side of the bidet, and they're to direct water through adjustable nozzles. You can also put this thing on with the knobs on the left side or the right side, depending on how it fits in your RV. Uh, I was able to, when I installed it, put everything in, and it wasn't that much of a stretch, but our toilet's pretty close to the back wall, but still, it all fit. As to the bidet, there is a nozzle for your hind end and one for the front if you are of the female persuasion. It also has a self-cleaning function, and you can use that self-cleaning function to help fill the bowl. So kind of two purposes, works out pretty well. Uh, Now, having a bidet in your RV can make dealing with the black tank less troublesome. So there's a side benefit. This was our very first bidet experience. And so I thought I'd share these two clips of our impressions the first time we used it.
Oh, can we? That was the rear. Wait. Go ahead.
Whoa! Whoo, doggies! As for the health benefits of having a bidet, well, we have more information about that, specifics about the installation, and a bunch of pictures and more information at our home on the web. So we have a full article about installing this bidet. You can also find more product and RV reviews, a weekly podcast, tips, tricks, discounts, and more to help you turn your RV experience into stressless camping. And that's at our home on the web at stresslesscamping.com. Well, hope you're flushed with information now. Stressless camping.